Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Rob Telsa SGM Vlogs. Today's video is about my DIY project. This is a candle pillar type decorated with the waste sachet from the tea bags. Look at this. This is an envelope or sachet from the camel tea. And I just cut out this picture and I fixed it here. Look at this. Fix it all around the body of the candle and decorated it with crystals. And this is the candle stand. This is a beads made with wire. And the other one, this one, is a fruit design. This is a cherry flavored tea. And this is now the empty or the waste envelope from the tea, Miss Kung Hagi Button tea. And look at this. So I decorated it all the body of the candle. Just cut out the sachet. Take out only the picture and this red label. Fix it here. And it looks like this. This is now the outcome or the result. And this is my candle stand decorated with beads like a crown made of wire and beads. And this is the serving plate. Just put it there, the candle. And this is now my DIY candle. And this one also, this one is decorated with different butterflies. Look at this. And the butterflies fixed with the eyes from the crystal. This butterfly I cut out from the tissue roll. Look at this. This is from the tissue. And I just retouch it with a pentel pen with the different colors. And these flowers I cut out from the magazine. And now this is now the transformation of the candle decorated with different butterflies and flowers. And the candle holder is a plate. Look at this. This is a serving plate. And this is a wire decorated with beads. And I just put it in the plate. And this candle, I put it like that. And that is the candle stand, a DIY candle stand. The candles are decorated with waste material from the sachet or envelope of the tea bag, of the teas, from the camel tea, from the Hagi Button tea, and the other one from the tissue paper. I cut out this butterfly. So this is an idea of how to recycle your waste materials. So guys, if you like this tutorial, just give a thumbs up, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated with all my new videos. Just watch my live tutorial. I have done a live tutorial today, and you can replay so that you can see how I decorated these candles, decorated with a sachet from the envelopes of tea bags. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial. So please recycle your waste in order to minimize our garbage and keep our environment clean and safe, and save the Mother Earth from pollution. Don't forget to subscribe to Reptelsa Blogs or SGM. This is a very easy DIY project made from recycled materials. All you need is only a candle and a decoration, and just use your plates at home as your candle stand or candle holder. I'm just using paper paste when I fix this sachet. I'm just using the paper paste, or you can use a white glue, liquid white glue, to fix these papers into the candles. The same this one. So all you need is a collection of tea envelopes or sachet, paste, and a scissor, and you can create your instant DIY candle and just provide a small plates, and you can decorate anything here in order to add beauty to your project. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. My new channel name is Reptelsa Blogs, formerly SGM. So, thank you for watching. Vielen Dank. Daghang salamat. Maraming salamat. Farastupuli. Merci. Dankeschön. बहुत shukriya. Shukran. Farastupuli. And see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ciao.